gentlemen, it's me again, Crawdad Deluxe, and I'm back with a new video. Alright, we're gonna cook you some instant mashed potatoes. In the bag, it's Crawdaddy homemade taste in minutes, classic mashed new with butter and cream made with 100% real Idaho potatoes, America's favorite mashed potatoes. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, so once you got your bag of potatoes, instant potato mix, you're going to read the instructions because that's kind of important. Alright? Now, you got two ways to cook this stuff. Stovetop or you got microwave. So we're just going to do it right in our microwave. Measure 2 cups of water into a microwave-safe bowl. Alright? So you gotta get a measuring cup, okay? We keep ours right down here. Alright? Normally, you might fill it up in your faucet. We're not doing that because our tap water gives us cancer. I think it said 2 cups. I can't remember because I got short-term memory loss. I don't know at what point I should stop. There we go, perfect. 2 cups of water. And put it with your other materials, okay? And then you gotta read the second step. Microwave on high for 4 to 5 minutes to heat water to a boil. So you gotta get a bowl. Got one glass bowl. So you're gonna take the water, okay? And you're gonna pour it right into the bowl. Yeah! Beautiful. Okay, I got a piece of cheese stuck on. Alright? Okay, and so you got a microwave on high for 4 to 5 minutes. So let me go to the microwave, okay? This is our beautiful microwave named Steve. And we put it right inside Steve. Now, it said 4 to 5 minutes. Now, if anybody knows anything about cooking, when they give you 4 to 5, you go right in the middle. So we're going to go 4, 3, 0. Start. And you wait. Man, I can't read this stuff, man. Microwave, we're about halfway now. It's at 2, it's 2. Numbers are moving too fast for me, man.
I eat that ice.
What is that? That's a piece of cheese. Cheese right here. Right. As you can see, ladies and gentlemen, we are halfway there. We got 2 minutes in 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Oh my God, it's so hot! Oh, Jesus Christ! Remove water from the microwave and immediately add pouch. Oh, Jesus! Oh, jeez! Oh, man! Oh, okay, alright. Right in there. Woo! Just like that. And then it says to, using a fork, to moisten. Basically, you just gotta mix it. Alright? Just like that. Alright? So, you're just mixing it just like that, right? Because that's basically how instant potatoes work, alright? This is really easy, man. I kinda like it, man. And the directions say, and let stand 1 minute. 1 minute. Sir! Alright, now we just continue to wait. So once you've got your potatoes mixed, alright, you're going to want to be a good Samaritan and throw away your garbage, alright? So we put it right in the garbage right there, alright? And you got to make sure the potatoes are cooked and that they taste normal. So obviously, taste test it before you feed it to people. Oh my God. It tastes amazing! Oh, damn, man! That's a new record, man. Alright. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, so thank you so much for watching my video on how to cook instant mashed potatoes in a bag If you enjoyed the video, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. If you leave a comment, it might get read at the end of the next video. I haven't decided. But make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. It really helps. And tune in next time for my next video.